Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with nonsense words. So all of these nonsense words are going to be people you would find inside a school. Here we go. The first one is girls. Girls. A feature. Teacher. You would find a lot of zildren. Children. At school we have a terse. That's the nurse. There's also foys, boys, and our grincipal. That's right, the principal. Good job. Okay, now we're going to listen for beginning sounds. I'm going to say the two words. You're going to repeat the two words, and then we'll say the beginning sound together. Here we go. Pick, page. P. Walk, wall. W. Red, rip. R. Silly, send. S. Tell, teeth. T. Voice, vet. V. Quilt, quail. Qu. Yes, yellow. Y. Zoom, zap. Z. Bet, bag. B. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the parts of the syllable, and then you're going to repeat it, and then we're going to blend it together. Here we go. Each of these are two-syllable words. Here we go. Famous. Famous. Paper. Paper. Tiger. Tiger. Obey. Obey. Fever. Fever. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Welcome. Welcome. Picture. Picture. Sunny. Sunny. Purple. Purple. Nice work. Okay, now we're going to listen for ending sounds in words. However, we're going to do it differently today. So I'm going to say a short sentence. You're going to repeat the sentence, and then we'll say the ending sound we hear at the end of all those words. So for example, if I said, Pat got lost, you would say, Pat got lost, t, because t is the ending sound on all those words. Okay, here we go. Liz sneezes. Z. Jen can run. N. Jill will call Bill. L. Wes likes Bess. S. Tom came home. M. Fred had bread. D. Help, Pop, help. P. Good work. All right, so now I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to break it into the syllables. And each of these are two-syllable words, okay? Here we go. The first one is candy. Candy. Basket. Basket. Doctor. doctor. Carpet, carpet. Princess, princess. Napkin, napkin. Picnic, picnic. Elbow, elbow. Ticket, ticket. Puppet, puppet. Good work. Okay, so now we're going to do some syllable substitution. I will say a word, and then we're going to replace the beginning syllable to make a new word. Here we go. The word is laughing. Change laugh to dust. Dusting. The word is dusting. Change dust to mow. Mowing. The word is mowing. Change mow to cook. Cooking. The word is cooking. Change cook to cry. Crying. The word is crying. Change cry to laugh. Laughing. Good job. Now we're going to add a syllable. So we're going to start with a word and we'll add a syllable to the end. Here we go. The word is cold. Add to the end. Colder. The word is fast. Add to the end. Faster. The word is clean. Add to the end. Cleaner. The word is neat. Add to the end. Neater. The word is slow. Add to the end. Slower. Good. Now we're going to remove the ending syllables. We'll start with the word and we'll remove the ending syllable. Here we go. The word is cleanest. Without the est, the word is clean. The word is darkest. Without est, the word is dark. The word is largest. Without est, the word is large. The word is highest. Without est, the word is high. The word is greatest. Without est, the word is great. All right, counting words in spoken sentences. Here's our last one. The boys like to jump rope. That's 6. Do you eat at school? That's 5. I can do that. 4. The fish can swim fast. 5 again. The door will not close. 5 again. Last one. Can you sleep at my house? And that one's 6. Nice job today, everybody.